Hello students, in this video we will discuss about mod, which is the third topic of the central tendency. What is mod? Mod is nothing but which observation has maximum frequency is known as mod. Means those observation have maximum frequency is known as mod. Means if we want to find the mod, then we should prepare the frequency, and those frequency will be maximum. Then observation which has the maximum frequency will be mod of that observation. But for mod for group data, our formula is mod equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L equal to lower limit of model class, F1 equal to maximum frequency, F2 equal to succeeding frequency of model class, F0 equal to preceding frequency of model class, and H equal to class size. But in this situation, what is the main problem? Our main problem is how to determine which class will be model class. Means model class is the class of maximum frequency. That means those frequency are maximum, then that class will be model class, and denoted by model class, and lower limit of that model class will be L. Means this is known as model class, equal to model class. Now we will take here one example. Question is, find mod of following data: class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And its frequency f equal to 5, 0, 2, 9, 4. Find the mod of this given data. Since First we check what is the maximum frequency. Since maximum frequency is equal to 9, therefore model class will be equal to 30 to 40. Therefore L equal to 30, F1 equal to 9, F0 equal to 2. F0 means preceding frequency of the model class. This is the model class. This is the maximum frequency, that means this is the F1. This is the F0, that means preceding frequency of model class. And this is the succeeding frequency of model class, that means F2. F2 equal to 4. And H equal to class size, that means difference of upper limit and lower limit of the model class, that means 40 minus 30 equal to 10. As you know that mod M equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This will be equal to L means 30 plus F1 means 9 minus F0 means 2 upon 2 into 9 minus F0 means 2 minus F2 4 into H means 10. 30 plus 9 minus 2 7 whole upon 9 to the 4. 9 to the 18. 18 minus 6. 12 into 10. This will be considered 6 and this will be 5. Taking LCM will be 6. This will be 180 plus 7 5 35. This will be 215. 215 upon 6 cut by 2. Then this will be 37. Not cancelled. So divide by 6. 6 3 is 18. 3 reminder. 6 5 is 30. Again 5. 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 6 1 is. This is the mod of this given data. Now in the next video we will discuss about graphical representation of the data, that means OGIF.